Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vincent, and in today's video I want to talk to you about why do you need to invest in shares and why I believe it's a smart financial decision. So why do we actually invest in shares? So by purchasing shares in the company, you're actually essentially owning a small piece of that company and benefiting from their success. This is a great way to actually invest in businesses that are actually doing well and have the strong potential for growth in the future. Secondly, investing in shares provides you an opportunity to earn passive income through what is called dividends. So many companies actually pay out dividends to their shareholders, which can provide a steady source of income and stream of income over time. This passive income can be a great way to supplement your regular income and build wealth over the long term. Another reason why you need to invest in shares is for the potential for capital appreciation. As companies grow and become more successful, the value of the shares can increase, allowing the shares to appreciate in value. This capital appreciation can be a great way to build wealth and help achieve your financial goals. In addition, shares allow you to diversify your investment portfolio. So by owning shares in multiple companies across different industries, you can spread your risk and protect yourself against inflation and any potential downturns in the market. Diversification is a key to build a strong and resilient investment portfolio. So lastly, investing in shares can also give you the opportunity to grow as an investor. So by researching and analyzing companies, understanding the market trends, the market dynamics, making informed decisions about where to put your money. Expanding your knowledge and skills in the world of finance. The learning process is invaluable and can help you become financially independent and accumulate wealth in the long run. So in conclusion, investing in shares is a smart financial decision for a number of reasons. It allows you to earn potential income through dividends. You can benefit through what we call capital appreciation, add diversification to a portfolio, and continue to learn and grow as an investor. So if you're looking for wealth or a way to build wealth and achieve your financial goals, I highly recommend considering investing in shares as a part of an overall investment strategy. So that comes to the end of our video. I just wanted to thank you guys and be sure to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future financial videos, and see you in the next video.